Ellie. And the teeniest sneeze, Ellie, was a very big elephant. But she was also very shy. When other elephants trumpeted loudly, Ellie stayed quiet. She worried that everyone would stare at her, especially because of her sneezes. You see, Ellie didn't have the huge, thunderous achoo that elephants were famous for. Ellie's sneezes were tiny, chew, so tiny that butterflies barely fluttered. So tiny that even the ants missed them. Ellie tried very hard not to sneeze at all. She covered her trunk and tiptoed away whenever she felt a tickle. One day, the jungle grew dusty and dry. The animals coughed and sniffled. Pollen floated everywhere, making noses twitch. Ellie felt a sneeze coming. "Oh no," she whispered. "Chew." Chew. The sound was soft, but something amazing happened. A gentle breeze floated through the jungle. Leaves danced. Seeds drifted into empty soil. Flowers popped up the next morning, bright and new. The animals stared in surprise. "Ellie," said the parrot, "your sneeze helped the jungle breathe." Ellie blinked. She had never thought her small sneeze could matter. True. From that day on, Ellie didn't hide when she felt a tickle. She learned that even the quietest things can make a big difference. And when Ellie sneezed, the jungle smiled.